Hi, let me show you something cool. In this task control table, you can see a task titled Deep Clean Machine Components, which has been assigned to 3 teams. When I tap this button, boom, 3 new rows are instantly created in the assigned task table, each assigned to 1 team. No manual entry at all. It's fast, it's clean, and it saves a ton of time. Now let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1, the control table, task control. This is where the user creates the task and selects the teams. Step 2, the target table, assigned task. This is where new rows will be added, 1 for each selected team. Each row will record the task name, the assigned team, and any additional details you'd like to include. Step 3, the actions, making the loop work. This is where the automation, magic happens. We use 4 actions working together like a loop. Action 1, a grouped action that kicks off the process. Action 2, increment add count. This moves to the next team in the list. Action 3, add a row to the assigned task table, using the current team from the list. Action 4, recursive call. This loops back to keep adding until all teams are processed. Let me walk you through the setup for each of the actions that power this automation. We're starting with Action 2, increment add count. This is where we define the process for incrementing the counter, so the system knows which team to process next. Here's what we're doing. We're going to set the value of the add count column. The formula used is simple. This will increase the counter every time the action runs, moving the pointer to the next team. And now, let's move on to Action 3, add row for this team. This is where we actually add a new record to the assigned task table. Here, we use the index function to get the team corresponding to the current position in the EnumList. For the new row and assigned task, we set the task name and the team column based on the EnumList. The key part here is ensuring we only add a row when the team isn't blank, so we add a condition to check that. Next we come to Action 4, add more rows. This action is responsible for looping through the entire list of selected teams. We're going to execute Action 1 again on the same row. This creates the loop, ensuring that after each row is added, the system moves to the next one until all the teams are assigned. Now that we've set up Actions 2, 3, and 4, it's time to move. To Action 1, add rows for remaining teams. This is the action that triggers everything to start. It groups all 3 actions together and runs them sequentially. We set a condition so it only runs when there's a valid team list and when we haven't processed all the teams yet. And there you have it. With all 4 actions set up, we now have an automated process that loops through the selected teams, adding a row for each one to the assigned task table. With this setup, you can turn a multi-select list into detailed assignments with no extra clicks. Let me know in the comments if you want more AppSheet automation like this, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you.